Hello guys, welcome back to this channel and thanks for viewing this video. Today we are going to talk about the Java intern method, which is a method you can use to get a string from a memory if it is already present. This method makes sure that all the same strings share the same memory. Okay, so let me take an example to better explain this concept. So let's say that I have declared a string value that I have called str1. Okay, and I've given it the value of coding river as an example. And I would like to assign the same string value to another variable by using the intern method. So what I'm going to do is declare the second string variable and then call the the intern method. So I will do str1 intern like this. So what is going to happen is that when the intern method executes, it searches the memory pool for the specified string variable str1, this str1 variable, string variable, and if the given string is found, then the method will return its reference and store the string value coding river in the new variable str2, so that now if I do a system.out that print line to output the value stored in str2, you will see that we will have coding river stored in str2. So the same coding river in str1 is being stored in str2. So what is happening here is that str1 and str2 are using the same memory location. So they have the same reference. So one thing very important that we need to note is that Java automatically interns string literals. This means that whenever we create strings using string literals, instead of creating them using the new keyword, Java will automatically apply the intern method. Let's take another example to explain more on this point. I will start by declaring string variables using string literals. So what I'm going to do is that I will simply keep this one and I will do a system.out. Let me create another string, and in here I'm going to give it the same string value coding river like this. And if I check, I'm going to try to check if the two strings are equal, okay, by doing a system.out that print line and then str1 equal like this. If they are the same, it's going to return true down here. So we have true. That means that str1 and str2 are the same and they are pointing to the same memory location. I will do another string str3, and this time around I'm going to apply the intern method. Okay, so to assign the value coding river to str3 using the intern method. And now if I compare str1 and str3, you will see that it will return true. Okay, if I compare str2 with str3, it will still return true. Okay, so this means that str1, str2, str3 are equal, meaning that they are pointing to the same memory location. So now if I declare another variable using the new keyword, like I would say string str4, and I would say new string I'll say coding river like this. Okay, I've used the new keyword to declare a new string variable. So we will find out that these three strings, str1, str2, and str3, are different from this new string str4, meaning that they are not pointing to the same memory location, even though they will store the same value. Okay, let me show you what is going to happen. Like if I try to compare str1 with str4 and run like this, I will get false here. Okay, if I compare str2 with str4, I will still get false. str3 with str4, I will still get false. But these all these strings are storing coding river in the memory. str4 is coding river, str3 is storing coding river, str2 is storing coding river, the same for str1. So the only difference is that str1, str2, str3 are pointing to the same memory location. Meanwhile, str4 is pointing to a totally different memory location. So that's why when we try to compare str1 with str4, we are getting false, because the way the program says it, in terms of memory location, it's seeing it as different memory locations. So that's actually what we need to keep in mind. So just like I said, this is because we are getting false because we have used the new keyword, and what this keyword does is that it will create a new string and store its value in a different memory location. So that's the reason why when we compare the strings, they are returning false, because in reality they are not stored in the same memory location. So guys, that was it concerning the Java intern method, and I hope this video was informative. And please don't hesitate to comment and to ask any question if you have, and don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to this channel. Let's meet in the next video.